We give you all the glory. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I took my breakfast to another level, and I want to share with you how I made this romantic and beautiful French toast. So you can also take your bread and breakfast to another level. Okay, so let's go. So I have some eggs. I'll crack 3 of them into a bowl-like plate, and then I'll add some milk to it. You can use fresh milk, but I prefer evaporated milk. Then I added some vanilla essence, some cinnamon powder, some salt to taste, and then so I'll add a little brown sugar, which is optional. That's all you need for this recipe, friends and family. So just whisk everything together. Make sure they are well incorporated. So now I just dip my sliced bread into it. So we just flip it over for the other side to also soak, yes, the batter. So you do the same for all sliced bread. And then in a pan, I'll transfer some butter into it. So this is what I'll use to toast my bread. So like I said, I am taking my bread to another level. So you can see how our French toast is looking here. Very beautiful and attractive. Yeah, it's also delicious, friends and family. You really need to try this recipe. Yeah, so now we are done. And to make it more romantic, oh my god, I'm going to garnish it with some fruits. Yes, so you can choose to use any fruits of your choice. I am using grapes and some mint leaves. Yes. And then I'll be topping up with some butter. Yes, I just want the butter to melt on the bread. Oh my goodness. If you do this for your husband, your daddy, your brother, your son, oh my goodness, they are going to be happy. Okay, so friends and family, we are done. I am going to enjoy my breakfast and I want to go with you. Thank you, God bless you, and see you in our next video. Bye bye. If you like this video, just give me some thumbs up. Okay, bye bye.